So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to update the email notifications on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, go to the top right, press on your account, then view your profile, and then edit public profile. Once you're here, go to this top right area to where it says emails and press on that. Once emails is selected, you can go ahead and see your notifications right here. So you can sort of see, I guess, check off when you want to be emailed. So for example, if you want to get emailed notifications for when someone sends me a message, you can do that. You can check that on or off. Same goes for when someone follows you, on or off. My listings are about to expire, on and off, as well as send a message, on or off. So you can kind of play around with it that way and figure out for yourself what email notifications that you want through Etsy. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to update your email notifications on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.